The ways AI is creating jobs, unlocking new paths in the future of work. Artificial intelligence, AI, is often portrayed as a looming threat to jobs, a futuristic force that will automate tasks, displace workers, and shrink the workforce. While automation is indeed transforming how many tasks are performed, a more nuanced and hopeful reality is also emerging. AI is creating jobs, many of them entirely new, and many more that are enhancements of existing roles. As organizations adopt AI across industries, the demand for new skill sets and human-AI collaboration has exploded. Far from rendering humans obsolete, AI is unlocking a new era of work where people and machines complement each other to create more value than ever before. Here's a comprehensive look at the various ways AI is generating employment, expanding career opportunities, and redefining the workforce of tomorrow. 1. Emergence of entirely new job roles. One of the clearest signs that AI is a job creator is the rise of new professions that didn't exist a decade ago. These include AI prompt engineers, specialists who craft and refine prompts to guide large language models, like GPT or Claude, toward accurate and useful outputs. Machine learning operations, MLOps, engineers, professionals who manage the life cycle of ML models from development to deployment and monitoring. AI trainers and data annotators, people who teach AI systems how to interpret data by labeling, tagging, or scoring inputs, images, text, speech, etc. Conversational AI designers, experts in designing dialogue flows for chatbots and virtual assistants. AI ethicists and governance analysts, professionals focused on building ethical, fair, and transparent AI systems. These are not temporary or transitional jobs, they are foundational to the future of work in an AI-first world. 2. Soaring demand for technical talent. As organizations integrate AI into their operations, the demand for people who can build, train, deploy, and maintain these systems has skyrocketed. Technical job growth includes data scientists, design and test machine learning models using structured and unstructured data. AI engineers, build intelligent systems and applications. Computer vision engineers, specialize in object recognition, autonomous driving, and facial detection. NLP engineers, focus on how machines interpret and generate human language. According to the World Economic Forum's Future of Jobs report, AI and machine learning specialists are among the top 5 fastest growing roles globally. These jobs require a combination of mathematics, programming, domain expertise, and business acumen, all highly valuable and in demand. 3. AI is augmenting human work, not just replacing it. Rather than eliminating roles, AI is increasingly used to amplify human capability. Here's how AI is changing existing jobs. In healthcare, AI supports radiologists by identifying anomalies in medical scans, allowing doctors to focus on diagnosis and patient care. In legal services, AI reviews contracts, searches legal databases, and flags risks, freeing lawyers to focus on strategy. In marketing, AI handles customer segmentation, A/B testing, and campaign optimization. Marketers then focus on creativity and storytelling. In education, AI enables adaptive learning platforms that tailor content to student performance. Teachers then offer targeted guidance. By taking over repetitive, data-heavy tasks, AI empowers professionals to spend more time on judgment, creativity, empathy, and strategic thinking, uniquely human strengths. 4. Startups and entrepreneurs are thriving with AI. AI tools are leveling the playing field for small businesses, creators, and entrepreneurs. No-code AI platforms allow people without technical backgrounds to build intelligent applications. Content generation tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Synthesia empower creators to write, design, and produce videos quickly. AI-powered e-commerce tools automate inventory management, dynamic pricing, and customer insights. This has led to an explosion of new ventures in edtech, health tech, fintech, and media, each one requiring support roles like marketers, project managers, UX designers, analysts, and more. In essence, AI is accelerating entrepreneurship and fueling job creation across every sector. 5. Cross-industry integration means cross-disciplinary jobs. AI is no longer just a tech sector phenomenon. It's becoming embedded in agriculture, manufacturing, finance, retail, logistics, and entertainment. This has led to demand for professionals who can bridge domain knowledge with AI understanding. Agricultural technologists use AI to optimize crop yield and water usage. Smart logistics coordinators use AI to predict supply chain disruptions. Financial analysts partner with AI for fraud detection and risk modeling. Retail managers work with AI to enhance customer experiences and personalize offerings. Sports analysts use AI to track player performance and injury risk. The takeaway? You don't need to be a programmer to benefit from AI. What's needed is a working understanding of how AI tools function and how to use them effectively in your field. 6. Reskilling and upskilling are driving career mobility. To meet the demand for AI-savvy workers, educational platforms and companies have launched massive reskilling initiatives. Google, Amazon, IBM, and Microsoft offer AI learning tracks for developers, analysts, and non-technical workers. Platforms like Coursera, Udacity, and LinkedIn Learning provide certifications in AI foundations, applied machine learning, and data ethics. Governments in countries like Singapore, India, and Australia are investing in national AI skills programs to prepare the workforce for the future. These programs are helping displaced workers find new opportunities, for example, former retail employees becoming data annotators or manufacturing workers transitioning to smart factory technicians. 7. A boom in AI oversight, compliance, and governance roles. As AI systems become more powerful, the need to regulate and manage them has surged. That's why we're seeing growth in AI ethics and bias experts ensure algorithms are fair and not discriminatory. AI risk managers evaluate systemic risk, compliance with regulations, and alignment with organizational values. Explainable AI specialists focus on making models interpretable to regulators and end users. Regulatory consultants help organizations comply with data and AI laws such as the EU AI Act or US AI Bill of Rights. Trustworthy AI isn't optional, and creating it requires a whole new layer of human oversight, insight, and accountability. 8. The creator economy is supercharged by AI. AI has become a co-pilot for creators, helping them scale content production and explore new creative territories. Writers and journalists use AI tools for brainstorming, grammar correction, and summarization. Video editors use AI to auto-cut footage, sync audio, and animate graphics. Musicians use AI to generate melodies, harmonies, and even lyrics. Designers use AI to create logos, web templates, and artwork with generative tools like Midjourney and DALL-E. As creativity becomes more accessible, there's increasing demand for human curators, brand strategists, platform managers, and creative consultants to guide, evaluate, and monetize this AI-assisted content. Final thoughts: humans and AI are building the future together. The conversation about AI and jobs is shifting. While it's true that automation will reshape certain tasks and roles, the net effect of AI on employment is increasingly positive, especially for those willing to adapt. AI is creating entirely new professions, augmented versions of traditional jobs, entrepreneurial opportunities, cross-industry hybrid roles, governance and ethics careers, a boost to the global creator economy. To thrive in this era, workers and organizations alike must embrace a mindset of lifelong learning, flexibility, and collaboration with AI tools. Far from replacing us, AI is inviting us to step into new roles where human ingenuity, creativity, and empathy are more valuable than ever.